Hey guys, I am back. I'm sorry that it's been a minute since I last uploaded. I gained the adapter to my ring light, so I had to order a new one and it took a little bit to get here. I felt a little bit off not being able to film. You guys, this has become my favorite hobby. I love YouTube so much. I've missed just sitting down and talking to you guys. Before, I was so nervous to even just turn on my camera. If you guys want to join me and see the things that I got in December's BoxyCharm, just keep watching. Alrighty guys, let's get into it. You guys are gonna see how busted I look in about like 3 seconds. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maria.
Today,
I'm gonna be doing a quick little get ready with me. This is my creative outlet.
So if you guys want to join me,
go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash the like button for me. I really do want to get ready because I look insane right now.
and to get ready, I'm gonna be.
This is upside down.
Oh my god, get it together, girl.
I am going to be using the December BoxyCharm. It costs $25 a month, which is very affordable. And it usually comes with 4 to 5 full-size products, which I love. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Daikon and Dreams Lip Exfoliator. It looks like candy, so I want to eat it. This is the Saturday Skin Glacier Water Cream. I'm going to go ahead and dip into it a little bit, and now I'm just gonna work this right into my skin. Oh, I love the way that feels. It feels super moisturizing. And you guys, I've been using the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask as my moisturizer religiously since I got it. I do love that moisturizer, but I'm excited to give this one a shot because it actually feels really nice on the skin. It's nice and cool when you apply it. I definitely feel like it's soothing my skin. Oh, and you guys, Good Molecules actually sent me over another package. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that. And I actually did an unboxing of the first packaging that Good Molecules sent me over. I'll go ahead and link that video so you guys can check that one out because I've still been using those products. I will show you guys. Good Molecules sent me the silicone-free priming moisturizer. I put a tiny bit on my fingertips. And this is unscented, so if you guys do have sensitive skin like I do, go ahead and try Good Molecules. Everything that I've gotten from them has been unscented and hasn't caused any irritation to my skin. So I'm really happy about that. Sometimes it can get really difficult when you're looking for some good skincare. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows really quick. I am gonna dip into the Brow Bar eyebrow kit. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word eyebrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my brows with a little bit of this. And there we go. Okay, we're moving on because I look crazy. But we're gonna be using the Storybook Cosmetics palette.
Pretty cool.
That was Journey. Shade right here. That's good. And honestly, I'm just going in with my finger because I feel like that's just the best way to get pigment. Okay guys, I'm back. I just finished my eye look and I really love it. It's so cute. I I think I'm definitely going to be reaching for this palette more often. I love how small it is and it's just very cute. So I just popped on some lashes. I tight lined a bit, cleaned up my eyebrows, and now to finish off the lip, I'm going to go ahead and put some blush on. I'm going to use the last product that I have from the BoxyCharm, from the December BoxyCharm, and it's the Ciate London Marble Light Illuminating Blusher, and this one's in the shade Halo. Oh, this is really pretty. Yeah, I think that's gonna complete this look, you guys. This is the look that I came up with for the December BoxyCharm. Next year, I definitely want to do so much more with my channel. This is my first year, and I want to say I did start my YouTube channel back in April or May, so it hasn't been a full year. But now that I started, there's just so many different things that I want to do. I'm seeing everyone's Vlogmas videos, and it's really motivating me to get that going and organized for next year. I'm gonna get a planner. I'm gonna get all my ideas down. So if you guys have any ideas for videos that I can do, let me know down below. Thank you for watching me put my makeup on and rant with you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. Also, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Have fun and be safe, you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.